Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Elda Arbis once again. Guys, you don't shock what I'm doing for my face. My content is putting mask in my face. Guys, samahan niyo ako. Panoorin mo kung bago to kasi yung nilagay ko na stay there under 15 minutes. Okay. Habang you need to take care yourself. You need to take care even though you are so busy, but at the night before you sleep, you need to take care yourself. You guys here, the hand mask still continue. Ganyan lang. Parang ito yan siya gaya. Samahan mo ako guys kasi hindi ko na alam how I can put my mask, my hand mask. Guys, done.
New Panorama by L'Oreal Paris. A multi-level bristle brush to catch every single lash. Corner to corner, bigger, wider.
Here's the result.
Because you're worth it.
And also my hands.
Bahagi rin ng mga gumawa noon sa Templo Central ay sina kapatid na Arnel Belangel, Angelito Amornay Sr. at Nerio Tamundong na bawang naglilingkod sa kasalukuyan bilang kawani sa
Okay guys,
Construction Support Facility.
thank you. See you next time.